I go into the kitchen and then we empty the entire kitchen, the drawers, the cabinets, just like it was when you first moved in, empty. Because I want to see, now that it's empty, I'm going to talk to you about how are you functioning, what's working, what's not working, where when everything's in your cabinets, when those colanders are in different spots, for you to empty everything out and change it up, it's too overwhelming for you, or it might be, I don't know. It might be overwhelming, and it's a big process for you. So when I come in, we empty that space, and I want to talk to you about how you want to function going forward, and it's much easier to do that once we empty everything and declutter, and then look at your empty space and talk about how you want to function. You have a very clear picture of how you want to function when that space is empty. Mm-hmm. So we look at what you have and what you're keeping. I help you like decide what you're keeping, and then now we see the categories on the counter, and now we see how many drawers we have, and then I say, okay, when you're cooking at the stove, you have 2 drawers, one on either side. Here are some utensils here. How would you grab them? Would you go to the right to grab them? Would you go to the left to grab them? So it's a test to see, okay, think about how you like to grab things. Where before you might have had to go to the other side of the kitchen to grab them, but now you're like, wow, this is great. I have it right here.